Hey everybody, back again for another video. I am going to put a muffler on it because it is a bit loud for me, but I am going to walk you guys through the process. So I'm also going to show you what it sounds like before and then do an after once we have everything set up. I'm going to put you on the bumper of my car. Maybe it's better if I put you over here. Maybe? I think that's going to work. Alright, so that's basically what it sounds like now, and then I will show you what it sounds like after. I'll show you what I'm putting in as well. That way you can see the girls. Maybe they went inside. Yeah, looks like they went inside again. There they are. You sad girl, Lola? You sad girl? Did you want to come outside? Oh, there's ABD. In a moment, girls. What I'm doing is putting on a Flowmaster. Flowmaster Super 40. It's like a 40 series, but from what I understand, the note was a little bit deeper. Is it fuzzy? There you go. So nope, the note's going to be a little bit deeper, and hopefully it works. But yeah, I'm going to stop it now, and then maybe I'll get you a shot from underneath the car. Maybe I won't, but yeah, it'll take a few moments. Alright guys, so it looks like I got it done. And I'll show you guys what I did. Alright. I had to cut my bumper a little bit more because there was a pipe that was curving down. So I ended up cutting a little bit more of my bumper. Obviously I cut it off center because I'm a professional. Ouch. Anyway. Alright. And looking underneath here. Oopsie. So. Let's see. So I used a band clamp on the back. And then, so you guys can tell, and my ghetto muffler hanger. I still have to get a clamp to hold on the pipe, and then that's it. Other than that, the whole thing is without any resonators or anything right now, but it does have a cat. Hopefully you guys can see that. Sorry that it was upside down, but it's just what it is. And that's kind of what it looks like. Like I said, I'm going to wait for the, basically the muffler ends up cutting that out for me, usually. So that will get resolved. And let's put you guys back on the Bronco bumper. And oh, that's not gonna work. Oh, come on. There it is. It's definitely teetering on the edge, so hopefully it doesn't fall. Basically what we're working with right now, and yeah, the only thing I gotta do now is I installed a cold air intake, but the pipe is just hasn't been capped yet. I'll show you what I'm saying. Also, I'll give you guys a little hint. If you have a city Golf like I do, or a city Jetta. Give me a second. So that's the cold air ECS, and then basically right down there's supposed to be some plastic and stuff, and that it needs to be broken. It's the only way I was able to get oopsie. The only way I was able to get the pipe through, basically. So there's that. Other than that, it's looking pretty good. And yeah, I'm pretty excited. I'm excited to have my car sounding a little bit better. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Like, comment, subscribe, as always. And you guys have a wonderful day.